Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on or off the dark mode in Google Chrome. So what we need to do is go to the bottom right corner and click on Customize Chrome. So let's click that. Over here we have the appearance settings, and here we have the light and dark modes. So we can switch to dark mode like so, or to light mode. You can also use device. And that means that Google Chrome will use the same mode as you use with your operating system. So if you have Windows in the dark mode, then Google Chrome will also be in dark mode. And in addition to these settings, you of course can choose additional colors. So over here you can switch to orange, to yellow. As you can see, it has several additional options. So feel free to use them as well. You can also click on this icon over here and you will open the color picker so you can choose the specific color that you wish to have. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!